Going to be a very short hiking video. Halfway through the hike already. Heading to a waterfall in Wales. Not sure what it's called. But it's been one hell of a climb. But we're nearly there. Made it. I bet it's amazing when it's been raining ever. Gotta walk back down it valley, up that side and back to the car. I wasn't going to do a video to be honest, but nicer than expected. That's the waterfall done. Now we've got a mega steep climb and then a round trip back to the car. It's been a nice walk. Halfway up the climb. God, it's warm. Nice view there. So I assume it's going to get better. But it's cool from up there. Another view of the waterfall. Close to the top this time. And that's the top of the climb. We can go down for a waterfall view, but we've seen it. Very nice area though. A bit more climb to do. I think it's downhill back to the car. Getting close to the peak now. Levelled off now. Heading back downhill. Stunning view. Good view to end the holiday on. It's been a very short walk, but I would highly recommend it. Apologies to any Welsh people, but I'm sure I'm butchering the pronunciation, but it's Rhaeadr Waterfalls. Very impressive, nice area to walk around. You could jog around it. It's a bit steep, but there's paths off in all directions, so you can just keep circling around. Yeah, highly recommended. Got about half a mile left to get back to the car. Yeah, good end to the holiday.